Page number 77. Page number 77. Okay, na? Page number 77. De Broglie's theory, you know very well. Na? Yes, yes, students. Yes, sir. Na? Lambda is equal to h by p or lambda is equal to h by mb. You know na, these formulas. So, yes, sir. No? Okay. Please tick the questions that you have to do homework. Question number 95, 96, 97, 98, 98, 95, 96, 97, 98, 101, 102, 103, 104, 106, 107. The all easy questions. Okay, na? What is the relation between wavelength and mass, students, according to de Broglie's theory? Formula ಏನಮ್ಮ? Lambda is equal to h by mv. Andre, if mass is more, wavelength is less. Say, sir, inversely proportional? Why not telling? Students, lambda is equal to h by mv formula, isn't it? Okay, na? So that's why you please do these all problems based on the given formulas. You can solve easily. Remaining the rest of the questions I will do. Okay, na? Clear? Next. Question number, how many we have completed? How many questions? 53 completed, I think. 73 page. Alva? Question number 54 to maximum I will try to complete up to de Broglie's theory. Try to complete, not say exact. Okay, na? Listen. Before going to problems explanation, now I want to remind some formulas to you. Please remember these formulas. So these three formulas you have to remember to solve the given questions. First, listen. In electron volts, this is. When we will get Lyman series? Apurva? Very good, super. When you will get Lyman series? Apurva Gowda. We know when we will get Lyman series?
Sir, 1 to 7 or so on.
1 to 7. 7 to any higher orbit to first orbit. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Any higher orbit to second orbit?
Balmer's theory.
Okay. Any higher orbit to third, any higher orbit to fourth, any higher orbit to fifth. These we have. Yes, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This you have to remember. Okay. Next, where we will get Lyman series? In which region? UV region we will get. Where we will get Balmer series?
Visible.
Visible region. Remaining we are getting in IR region. We will for IR regions. Okay, na? Next, What is the N1 value for Lyman series while we are doing problems?
1.
1. What is the N1 value for Balmer series?
2.
2.
N1 value for Passion? 3. Bracket? 4. 1. 5. Clear? Any doubts in this?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Okay. Next, another important thing is what is the N2 value for Balmer series? N2 value for Balmer series for H alpha line. That also I given in notes. H alpha, H beta, H gamma, H delta. Given na?
3.
3 na? Clear na?
3.
Okay na? This information we have to remember. Next one more. What is the limiting line? Limiting line means what we have to take? We have to take one separate, one special symbol. What is that? Limiting line, lower wavelength. We have to take one line. What is that line? Limiting line means we have to take infinity. I told na. Notes allide points alla. So, but once again, I am reminding all these key points. Well, because while we are doing these problems, you should not struck off. Clear? Right.
Yes, sir.
How to remember these formulas? Calculation part that you have to do in home. Now, please cooperate. Okay, na? Sir, you compulsory calculation ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. I can't do anything. At least calculation part you have to. Each and everything I will explain. Why? Because these are somewhat lengthy calculations. Lengthy calculations means large values. So that's why you have to cooperate. Clear? Now come to the question number 54. The spectrum with all wavelengths is continuous spectrum. Notes only the point node. Continuous spectrum contains all types of wavelengths. In spectrum, it is there.
Yes, sir.
Next, line spectrum is characteristic of what?
Atoms.
Atoms. Band spectrum is characteristic of what? It
Molecules.
Molecules.
Is there no, these points are there in notes? Yes, isn't it? Next, the line spectrum of two elements is not identical. Why? Different atoms have different types of electrons in outermost shell, so that's why you want to get same type of spectra. So what is the reason? Third option. Their outermost electrons are not same, or their outermost electronic configuration is not same. So that's why we will get different values. Clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 57. E formula apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Delta E is equal to 13.6 by 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Okay na? N1 what we have to take Lyman series?
1.
1.
N2 is equal to 3 we have to take. Sorry, 2 we have to take. Higher energy means. Clear? 1 or 2. Lyman series completed. Balmer series 2, 3. Passion 3, 4. Bracket 4, 5. After writing of that values, you please check in which case we are getting more energy. That is how to say. Students, are you clear, ma? What I am telling?
Sir, repeat, sir.
Ide formula.
Yes, sir.
What he is asked? First line of Lyman, Balmer, Passion, bracket, fund, which have the highest energy. Energy delta E is equal to 13.6 into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. This is the formula. Energy of orbital formula. Sorry, energy of electron. N1 value Lyman series is given. Here we have to do back calculation. Back calculation means by using the data from the question we can't do the problem. Why? Because he given only higher energy orbit. Lower energy orbit what we have to take? That is we have to take from options. So Lyman series given in first option. N1 is equal to 1, this is 2. Balmer series is 2, is 3. Passion 3, 4. Bracket 4, 5. Like that we have to take. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
After substituting the values, you have to report in which case you are getting highest energy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the correct explanation actually to explain all that. Remaining E is equal to hc by lambda, they will write hc by lambda, they will write means sometimes you can't understand easily. Okay, na? ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಏನನ್ನ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್
Layman, sir.
first one we will get more 10.6 I think 0.6 something. Okay na?
Sir, it should be bracket, no, sir.
But
Lyman. Sir, how Lyman? It should be bracket, no, sir.
how much you are getting bracket? You are getting more value. This value by more value you will get less value only the first one. Remaining ಮಾಡಿ bracket you are getting how much brother?
Should do.
Less than that only you will get. Second one ಮಾಡಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 0.16 ಬರುತ್ತೆ second one ಗೆ. Okay, later you do. If you got different values, please report to me. Question number 58. Lines in an atomic emission spectrum of an electron are due to. Atomic spectrum means what? Nothing but a line spectrum is given. Line spectrum is due to what now? Excitation or de-excitation?
Excitation of electrons from lower energy to higher.
Huh? Can't understand properly.
So
See, line spectrum is due to excited electron dropping from higher energy level to lower energy level. Means de-excitation it is called. Okay, third option. 58 third option. Next, 59. I told you one formula. Tanisha, what is the formula?
summation of n2 minus n1.
Huh?
Summation of n2 minus n1.
Very good. Sigma n2 minus n1 formula is there now. If electron jumps from any higher orbit to ground state, n2 minus n1. What is the difference? n2 minus n1 is 6 minus 1. Yake 6? Why 6 we have to take? Is given n is equal to 6. Why we have to take 1? Ground state. Ground state means we have to take 1. So that's why n minus 1 is equal to 5. Sigma 5 means 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. 15 lines you will get. Okay now? This type of problem already I told, but orally I told. Next, question number 60 you have to say. Please say fast. Question number 60. Ma. Ground state means what lines you will get, ma? Why you are thinking like that?
So third option, sir.
Yeah. So when greater number of excited hydrogen atom reaches the ground state, the intensity of lines in the Lyman series is increases. Intensity is increases. Greater number of lines. So excited from higher energy level to ground state, intensity of lines in Lyman series is increases. Intensity is increases. Next. Question number 61, I hope you can say easily. N1 is equal to 4, N2 is equal to 6. N1 is equal to 4 means what is the we have to take?
Bracket.
Bracket.
Bracket, very good. Bracket series. Bracket series, bracket series alla. Okay, next. Question number 62. Which of the following transitions have minimum wavelength? Minimum wavelength means what should be? Maximum. Okay. Where the energy difference is maximum? In first option, what is the energy difference? N4 to N1, 3. N2 to N1, 1.
1.
N4 to N2, 2. N3 to N1, 2. So greater the energy difference, least is the minimum wavelength. So that's why first option is correct one. Please remember, greater the energy difference, lesser is the minimum wavelength. Sorry, lesser is the wavelength, not minimum wavelength. Next, question number 63. Question number 63, you have to do calculation. Please write down what series we will get now. Q bar is equal to, please write down question number 63. You have to solve mu bar is equal to 1286.3. 1286.3 centimeter inverse. That is mu bar value. Next, R is equal to 109677. Aita? Next, N1 is equal to question mark, N2 is equal to infinity. So please apply this formula. Mu bar is equal to R into 1 by N1 square minus 1 by N2 square. N2 square means you will get 0. This calculate module. N1 square calculate module. Okay na? So that is homework. Suppose N1 you will get 1 no, it is Lyman series. 2 Balmer series. 3 Paschen series, like that. Okay na? New bar value given, R value we know, so we can calculate N1. No need to calculate this 1 by lambda. It is not required here. Okay? Question number 63, that is the solution. Next, 64. 64 I will solve. R value given. N1 is equal to 2, I will take. Do you have any objection?
No, sir.
Compulsory we have to take 2 only. No option. N2 is equal to what we have to take. Okay, see? 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on actually. N2 values. Clear students? 3, 4, 5, 6 na? No. This is first line. This is second line. This is third line. This is fourth line. So that's why N2 is equal to 6 we have to take. Remaining as this is there na? Q bar is equal to what we have to calculate? Wave number only na? Wave number. R value given na? 09677 into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 6 square. Calculate for that. Next number 6 square 36.
Sir, again, you please repeat why we have to take only 6.
8 by 36 LCM. Yanama, Bravara, what is your doubt?
Please repeat why we have to take only 6.
See, N1 is equal to 2, we know very well.
Yes, sir.
N2 is equal to, what are the possible values for Balmer series? Not less than 2, always it should be greater than 2. Like 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 means first line.
Yes, sir.
3 to 2 means first line. 4 to 5 means second. 4 to 2 means second line. 5 to 2 means third line. 6 to 2 means fourth line. We have in diagram different lines now. You please check that line so you can understand easily. First line, second line, third line.
Yes, sir. Got.
First line from where we are getting 3 in the
Yes, sir.
in diagram. From 3 you are getting. Next line from 4, next line from 5, next line from 6. So that's why fourth line means n is equal to 2, 6 we have to take. Okay, na? Students just by seeing 4 means generally they will write 4, but it is not correct. Line we have to take. Transition means we have to take as it is given. But he given what? Line is given. So that's why line means 6 we have to take. Clear? What is the answer we got? I think you will get a fourth option. I thought. Okay, Nama? Later you do. Next, question number 65. I will solve. This is R value given as it is now, so that's why I will solve. Wavelength we have to calculate. Li2 plus. Li2 plus means it is which type of species?
Hydrogen-like species.
Hydrogen-like species. What is the formula? Mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to R into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square into z square. This is formula. 1 by lambda is equal to R into 1 by 1 minus 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square into 3 square. I will write. Why 3 square? Lithium atomic number 3 na students. Lithium atomic number 3 na. No response.
Yes, sir.
Okay na. Simplify what am I doing? 1 by lambda is equal to R into 3 by 4 LCM. 1 by lambda is equal to R 27 by 4. Okay, na? Lambda is equal to 4 by 27 R. Okay, na? Murali. Murali Swami. Question Narayan. Are you following class? Vishnuraj.
Sir,
Are you following?
yes, sir, I'm following.
Shruti.
Yes, sir.
Next, students. Question number 60. 65. Fourth option correct? I will not agree. Okay, na? Next. Question number 66. Please write down. Infinity state to 1. Infinity state to 1 means this formula. Mu bar is equal to 1 by lambda is equal to, what is R value? R value given na, substitute that value into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by infinity square. ಏನಮ್ಮ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಇದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 1 by lambda is equal to 1.0967 into 10 power 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 1 by 1 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 square 1 only, you will get same value. Lambda is equal to 1 by 1.0967 into 10 power 7 into 10 power minus 7. 1 by 1.0967. 97 you taken. I taken 967. And I will 1 by 1.097 estimate. 1 by 1
0.912.
1 something you will get, I think. Estimate?
0.9124.
Huh?
0.9124.
0.91 ಓಕೆನಾ ಇದು ನ್ಯಾನೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತಮ್ಮ 1 ನ್ಯಾನೋಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಮ್ಮ -9 ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ತಾನೆ
Yes, sir.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ 91.2 into 10 power minus 9 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು instead of that 91.2 ನ್ಯಾನೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ 91 ನ್ಯಾನೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಮ್ಮ 91 ನ್ಯಾನೋಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ 1 Okay, students. Next. Question number 67. Question number 67. No? Which a formula I wrote. Please write down that formula. Delta E is equal to capital E. Okay, na? H. Small h. C RH into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. Already I wrote students.
Sir, what is H in RH, sir?
RH andre Rydberg constant with respect to nitrogen. Okay na?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Substitute ಮಾಡಿರೋ values H value as it is, R value as it is, RH value as it is, H C R values as it is. What he given? Lyman series. Lyman series means N1 value how much? N1 value 1 no. Lyman series. N2 is equal to 2. Lowest energy is telling now. Lowest energy means highest wavelength. Andre next line we have to take. Please say the answer. Simple question.
The third option.
I don't know. Third? 3 by 4 LCM. Remain stay 3 by 4 are remaining RHT's values only. Next. 68 can you do? What is N1 value we say? Students. Response is very important. Without response, I would.
2,
N2 value?
3.
Stay. Yake 3 by 3?
Sir, they given H alpha.
Alpha line means N2 is equal to 3. Okay na? R value please take as it is. U bar is equal to R into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by 3 square. 5 by 36 LCM. 5 by 36 Shafa had not third option. But I think this is for previous question. Okay. 5R by 36
Yes, sir.
But time taking questions. Next. Question number 68. 69. Which of the following lines will have a wave number equal to value of Rydberg constant in hydrogen spectral series? This is we have to calculate from options. Options means nu bar value is equal to what? Rydberg constant. New bar value is equal to Rydberg constant means everything should be equal to 1. By calculating all the remaining values, we have to get 1. Then only new bar is equal to R. Say for example, I will show this one. Next one, you please conclude. New bar is equal to R into 1 by 2 square minus 1 by limiting line at infinity square. Andre new bar is equal to R into 1 by 4. R into 1 by 4 means this is R by 4 is there. This is new bar, this is R by 4. Is these two values are same? No. Our intention is we have to equalize these two. Equalize these two means this is also we will get 1. Then only now you will get new bar is equal to R. So that's why you got next. New bar is equal to R into limiting line means I am considering this is same for all. 1 by 1 square. 1 by 1 square means what? 1 only. So new bar is equal to R idea. Remaining you check. You want to get such type of answers. Yes, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Clear? Huh? Are you clear? Next. Question number 17. If RH is the Rydberg constant, the energy of an electron RHHC answer direct to formula delta E is equal to Hc into RH. Ground state E is telling. Ground state means 1 by 1 square. The formula delta E is equal to Hc into RH. I wrote now first today formulas. That is that formula. Okay. Next. Question number 71. The spectral series of hydrogen which do not come in infrared region. Lyman?
Lyman series.
Lyman.
We will get in UV. Remaining near IR, middle IR, far IR, whatever it may be, they are getting in IR region only. So that's why option 1 is the correct one. Next. Bohr's theory. Bohr's theory, we have to do. Bohr's theory, angular momentum formula, you say students, MVR is equal to?
NH by 2 pi.
NH by 2 pi, very good. Okay. Another important. What are the advantages of Bohr's theory?
To calculate energy, velocity, and
Velocity of
You can
electron.
calculate the velocity of an orbit.
Orbit, radius of orbit, these three, radius, velocity, orbit. Formulas very, very important. Without the formulas, we can't do anything. So, mandatory. You have to remember at least one formula for energy. As joules or kilojoules, secondary. 13, at least you have to remember 13.6 by m square formula. Next, velocity. P is equal to 2.18 into 10 power 8 by n square into z. One more formula is there. Next, radius 0.53 into m square angstroms. These, at least these formulas you have to idea. Then only we can solve easily these questions. Okay? Now, please, ready? What is h by 2 pi? So, MVR is equal to kinetic energy formula.
Half mv square.
K is equal to half mv squared. Okay. Now, question number 72. Which of the following is considered as the main postulates of Bohr's model of atom?
option 4.
Option D, important point. Angular momentum of electron is quantized. It is equal to integral multiples of h by 2 pi. Fourth option. Next, question number 73. Bohr's model can explains, or it is applicable for only which type of species, ma?
Hydrogen like species.
Hydrogen like species and hydrogen.
Single electron, double electron, multi electron,
Single electron.
single electron species. Okay, na? Andre third option. Next, question number 74. The kinetic energy of an electron in the second Bohr orbit of hydrogen atom is. Okay, na? This is interlinked question. Ma? Please observe. I will solve in detail. K is equal to half mv square. This is equation 1. K is equal to half mv square. Right? Next, mvr is equal to nh by 2 pi. This is the angular momentum of Bohr's atomic model. Okay, na? Here we have mv square, here mv. So that's why I want to do this equation squaring on both sides. What we will get? mvr whole square is equal to m square h square by 2 square pi square. Right? This is I have simplified like this, no? V square is equal to 7. mv square is equal to 1 by m into m square h square by 2 pi square 2 square pi square r square. Is it possible to write from this? Check once. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
ಆಯ್ತಾ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆನಾ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ put second equation in first equation then what will we get k is equal to mv square ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು 1 by m into m square h square divided by 2 h square r square. Okay, na? Students, any doubt in this up to here? Okay, na? Here n is equal to 2 I will take. Why? Read the question. Second argument he given. Children.
Yes, sir.
Second Bohr orbit means L is equal to 2. What is R? R is equal to actually 0.53 into m square formula. Idu. He given R is equal to 0.53 means A naught is given. Idu 2 square agutte. Yake idu 2 square n by 2 na. So that's why the total 4 agutte. R by R is equal to n naught 4. E value substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ k is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2m into 2 square h square 2 square y square r ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು a naught into 4 square 2 square cancel ಇದು 4 square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 16 into 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 32. Where is 32? That is the answer. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ 32? ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಬರೋದು 2m pi square a naught square ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? You are not telling. What more, sir? Second option. Yeah, Tanisha.
Sir, I didn't get, sir. How 32, sir?
Yeah, number.
How is it 32, sir? I didn't get it.
How to calculate?
Sir, I didn't get how is it 32, sir? It's 16, right, sir?
ಇದು ಇದಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
Ah, yes, sir. Got it, sir.
2 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ 16 into 2 32 ನಾ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ತರ ಇದೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ completed question number 70 4 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ next one question number 75 as we move away from the nucleus the energy of orbit increases why because nuclear attractions are decreases na energy is increases next 76 with increasing principal quantum number nothing but n value the energy difference between adjacent levels in hydrogen atom energy difference between what is that with increasing principal quantum number the energy difference between adjacent energy levels in hydrogen atom decreases energy is decreases ma with increasing principal quantum number between levels not orbit difference between adjacent levels energy adjacent energy levels actually see so these are the different energy levels as the shells increases energy is also increases so if you take higher energy levels adjacent levels in hydrogen atom energy is increases okay the energy difference between two energy levels is somewhat less only the energy difference between these two shells increases okay but the energy difference is less theory question only no explanation for that
Sir. Sir, E is equal to 13.6 by m square no sir formula EV.
ಅದು electron not for orbit
Sir, for orbit
it is depends on what is that n value electron ಬೇರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ
yes sir
ಓಕೆನಾ
sir
electron means you can say that formula E is equal to 13.6 by n square ಅಂದ್ರೆ greater the n value energy is decreases for electron not for orbit see orbit y energy is increases means as the shell number increases, number of orbitals increases, right? In this we have only one energy level, S subshell. Here S and P. Here SPD. Here SPDF. That means greater energy levels increases. So that's why energy is increases with increasing subshell. But the energy difference between two shells is easy. So less. So that's why transactions are takes place easily. Transactions are takes place easily. That's the explanation. Transition is takes place now. Electron transition is takes place means the energy difference is somewhat less only. Otherwise, we have to require more and more energy to translate. So that's why energy is decreases. Next month, 77. The third line of Balmer series in the emission spectrum of the hydrogen atom is due to the transition from. Third line means what?
Fifth line.
I asked one question, sir. Why you are taking fourth line means n is equal to 6. 6 means what I told. Fourth line. 6 means what I told. Fourth line. Fifth line means from where we are getting. Third line only na. If electron transition from 3 to 1, 3 to 2, we are taking first line. 4 to 2, second line. 5 to 2, third line. 6 to 2, fourth line. Now you say fifth line means from where which transition we have to take? 3 to 2 na? Okay, that is the answer. Next, question number 78. In the Bohr's orbit, what is the ratio of kinetic energy and total energy of the electron? I think I told this point, sir, I don't know. Please remember now, the ratios of kinetic energy, total energy, and potential energy. So, minus 1 is to minus 2. Minus 1 east, 1 east, minus 2. Kinetic energy, total energy, potential energy. Relations. Kinetic energy, total energy, potential energy relation. Kinetic energy minus 1, total energy 1. What is the ratio you say? Minus 1 by 1 andre estama? Minus 2. Minus 1 only na? That's the answer. Minus 1 is to minus 2. Okay na? Kinetic energy, total energy, potential energy. Ke, Te, Pe. Next.
Sir, what is the formula for total energy, sir?
Total energy Ze square by R. Total energy of electron. Actually, we don't have derivation, but by using derivation we can say by using centrifugal forces that are okay na. Ze square by R or Ze square by 2 or something is there. 77 na? 78 minus Ze square by R, potential energy. Okay na? Kinetic energy half mv square. Ze square by R is equal to mv square by R.
What is E?
Again relation and beda adu saaku. Minus 1 is to minus 2. Direct answer. Next month, 78. In the Bohr's orbit, what is the 79? The value of energy for the first excited state of hydrogen. Please remember, first excited state means n is equal to 2. Second excited state means n is equal to 3. Please remember these 2 points. First excited state means n is equal to 2. Ground state, excited states we will say na. First excited state means 2. Second excited state means 3. Third excited state means 4. Like this we have to say. Okay na? Now, what is the formula? Energy formula?
minus 13.6 by n square.
N square. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ n value ಎಷ್ಟು? What is the n value? 2. So please substitute 13.6 by 4. 13.6 by n square. That is equal to 13.6 by 4 is equal to how much we will get?
Minus 3 point.
Minus
3.40.
3.40. Formulas you have to remember. Next, 79. 80 question. 80 question formula is there ionization energy. Please check once. For hydrogen like species, I given na. E1 how much given? Energy of electron 13.6 by n square means 1 square you take. For hydrogen like species z square alva. E1 13.6 into 4 amma. The formula is important. 13.6 into 4. How much? $54.4. Next, question number 81. What is the n value we have to take? Read and say question.
3.
3.
So formula enamma E is equal to 13.6 by n square. E is equal to 13.6 by 3 square. So if you have a possibility, you please do remaining questions. Easy questions only. Formulas important. Level 2 and remaining rest of the questions I will try to complete in tomorrow's class. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you very much. Please prepare and come the formulas.